Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. You can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you gon' do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup to keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Hey y'all. So, I on this hat because I want that my mole removed. Comment if you want to see that video. I thought I was going to be able to record it, but because of Corona, I had to go in there by myself, and he said I couldn't do the record, so but I did do like a vlog, I guess you can call it. Let me know if y'all want to see that. I will show mine. While it's ugly, because once I heal, I ain't gonna care if y'all see this. But right now, it's ugly. I literally got my hair in some Miss Sealy braids because I had to leave this part open. So, and we got Kenzie there. Come on, stand up, sis. We got Kenzie there. About to get her hair. I'm thinking of trying a new method of parting her hair out first and then braiding it. To me, that, I don't know if y'all know this, but I like my parts to be crisp. So, plus her hair feel a little, I use some new conditioner. I don't like how her hair feels, so I kind of need, I will see it. Enjoy. Like, comment, share.
Hey y'all, hey. So the voice recording is not the same day as the video. Like, we months in. The mole is almost healed. I have to go back and get the root taken out, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. Root. I got stitches. Oh my god, it was terrible. Anyway, I thought this video was super dope. I mean, originally I forgot, or we left it out of the video of the completed hairstyle. We left it out. We completely forgot this frame. So I thought it was pretty dope because it kind of shows how you can feed in the hair, how I feed in hair. I'm, like I always say, I'm a visual learner, so sometimes I watch a lot of videos until I get to the one that helps me the most. So maybe my video will be able to help somebody too. I mean, I'm not a professional hairstylist, but I've been doing hair for 13 years. And some stuff that I learned really helps me, so, pass it along. Let's share. Sharing is caring. Everybody can be great. I don't know why people, hairstylists, just feel like they secret is they secret. Sis, I still can't do it like you, even if you went step by step with me. So why can't we all just get along? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm just like, I watched too much Care Bears when I was a kid. Because I care too much. I swear, I always want to show love. And ooh, here's a hug. And people shoot you down, get brought back to reality. Wake up, sis. It's not a cartoon bear. But anyway, you see how I fed that in? Like, it was pretty dope. And I'm not a professional or nothing like that. I just really take my time, slightly cover up her natural hair. And sometimes, like, when I first started practicing that, like, it took forever for me to tuck her hair. And I've been tucking hair forever, like, for a while now. It took me a while to learn how to tuck hair, too. So, I guess, I don't know. Hopefully this is helpful to somebody. I kind of always twist my fingers as I'm adding hair. See, like, I'm twisting her natural hair around. Like, I'll stop and actually fix it. Like, this is going so fast you can't tell that I'm doing that. Or actually, you guys can slow it down so that you can catch it. That is one of the features. So, yeah, I thought, let me know if y'all really care about that, because I really would do a video on how to do it. Also, I've been getting into makeup, so I'm going to start coming on here doing my hair as it is now, like how I work around my thinning. And y'all can let me know if the hairstyle turned out cute. it's not that I just let me know what y'all think in the comment section, please. So yeah, I'm a talker. Like, I will talk y'all to the beyond the talk of the talk, the talk. If I'm not talking, then it's music in my head. I be trying to block all the bad energy in the world. Like, people be trying to take you to another level, drive you nuts. Trying to be great out here in these streets. Anyway, I don't know. Like, comment, share. Talk to me. I talk back. It's categorically Steph. I've been trying to work with this name situation because I still ain't found it. I know I'm extra. There's that. Okay, bye.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a facelift. She wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face, but she wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle and drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a facelift. She wear a little bit of makeup and she keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle and drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you gon' do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you gon' do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on a drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but she wear a little bit of makeup, and she keep her hair fixed. Got her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on a drip, drip, drip.
Almost midnight. I'm about to dip this hair and we'll be back in the morning. I'm gonna come back and do this part. I'm gonna come back and do this part on camera. I don't know why I can't get these parts, but you know, I think it's cute. The rest of the hair is gonna be black, but she's just gonna have this hidden color, so she don't gotta be loud all the way, all the time. Bye, y'all.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you gon' do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Got her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on a drip,